If you're seeing a Lucidchart collaboration error, or your teammates are getting access denied, not seeing changes in real time, or can't open a shared diagram, this video will walk you through the fastest ways to fix it. I'll show you how to check sharing permissions, confirm everyone is using the correct account, troubleshoot collaboration delays, test the document in an incognito window, and clear browser cache and cookies if needed. These steps solve most Lucidchart sharing issues without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, open your Lucidchart document and look at the sharing settings. In the top right corner, click the Share button. This is the first place to check whenever someone gets an access denied error. Make sure the collaborator's email address is entered correctly, because even a small typo can stop access completely. Next, check the permission level. If they need to edit the diagram, their role should be set to Editor. If they only need to view the file, a viewer permission may be enough. If you're using a shareable link, review the link settings carefully and make sure they match the needs of your team and your workspace policies. Keep in mind that some sharing options can depend on your Lucidchart plan or your organization's admin settings, so if a permission option is missing, that may be part of the issue. After confirming the share settings, try inviting the user again or resend the link so they can test access one more time. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is whether everyone is signed into the correct account. This is a very common cause of collaboration errors. Ask the person having trouble to sign out of Lucidchart completely, then sign back in using the exact account that was invited to the document. If your team uses a team or enterprise workspace, they should also make sure they are in the correct workspace and not a personal account. A lot of access problems happen simply because the wrong login is being used. Now let's fix collaboration delays. If the document opens, but edits are slow to appear or changes seem out of sync, the issue may be connection related rather than permission related. Ask every collaborator to check that they have a stable internet connection. If anyone is connected through a VPN, have them disconnect it temporarily and test again. Then, refresh the document and wait a moment for the changes to synchronize. If too many people are editing at the same time, the document can also slow down, so reducing the number of simultaneous editors may help. If the issue only happens for one person, the next best test is to open Lucidchart in an incognito or private browser window. This is a quick way to check whether the problem is coming from saved browser data or extensions. Open a private window, sign in to Lucidchart, and open the shared document again. If everything works in incognito, that usually means the browser itself is the problem, and you can move on to clearing cache and cookies. To do that, open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data and set the time range to all time. Make sure you select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. Once that's finished, restart your browser and sign back in to Lucidchart. This can remove corrupted session data that prevents collaboration from working correctly. It's also a good idea to test in Google Chrome because Lucidchart is optimized for Chrome. If the error only happens in one browser, that tells you the issue is likely browser specific rather than a problem with the document itself. Testing in Chrome can help you narrow things down quickly and save you a lot of frustration. If you've gone through these steps, you should be able to identify whether the Lucidchart collaboration error is caused by permissions, the wrong account, a browser issue, or a sync problem. Start with the sharing settings, then verify the login, then test the browser, and finally clear cache if needed. That order gives you the fastest path to a fix. If this video helped you solve the issue, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.